breathing sounds caused an earthquake. Oh my gosh. Oh my. That bunny left me here to die. Oh my god. That bunny left me here to die. Whatever. I'm just gonna exit like nothing happened at all. Wait. The bunny's telling you to go here? How nice. There will be utter silence right now. Finally the time I should leave. Come on, not the demonic crusty musty dusty rusty child that entered in another person's house. Come here, little child, then we can end all of this. Oh my god, it has superpowers. Whatever, I'm just gonna put up these piano music notes, whatever they're called. It's so hard to get all of these notes. Whatever, I'm just gonna continue. Come here, child. I promise I will take good care of you. This house is so unhygienic. Like, there's so many pizza boxes, dishes undone. Like, there's so many undone dishes. This house is so unhygienic. Whatever, let me just put on the last one and play some pretty music.
Dance, dance to the
Okay, that's enough. Oh my god! Oops. Mommy, I know what to do. I'm just gonna play it. Where's Demon Kid? Yeah, there he is. Give me that key. Be sad. Now I'm gonna shut the door because I do not want this demonic... Never mind. Call elevator, preferably one that works. Oh my gosh. No! Oh yeah, the door's right there. Just gonna leave? Wait. I got stuck again. Oh no. Oh no. No, no. No escape. There is an escape. I will escape right now. No. Oh, my bad. I did the chase too early. Ugh. Okay. I'm not a coward. I just read it. Don't leave. I will... Oh my... Stop appearing on the walls. Elevator better work. No. No, I can hear it crying. Oh no. No, 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 no. Run, 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 run! Oh my god. No, 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 no! Don't shut on me. Don't shut it. Don't shut it. No! Come on, come on! No, 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 no. Please, 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 please. Do not make me drop the key right now. Please, yes. Oh my god. Ah! Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Yes, 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 yes. Goodbye, crusty, musty, dusty, ugly child. Dang, who adopted this kid? The exit. Don't leave me alone. Stay here. Stay forever. Who the hell is Haster? I'm still here wanting to know who the hell Haster is. Oh no. Shut up. I'm gonna use this key right now. In his room. What's wrong with this? It's already the opposite. Wait. I got to... Never mind. Oops, I accidentally broke those. I'm not feeding you. I'm not... Take yourself to bed. Why do I have to do it? Oh my god! Right here? He makes me take you to bed. I'm not gonna do it. Ah! He's gonna do it himself. Just gonna walk in his room and then leave me to the door. Can those tentacles stop touching my waist? That is... No, I'm not watching it. No, no. Stop, 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 stop. I'm not watching TV. Stop it. I'm not watching his TV. Oh, no, wrong room, wrong room. Ah! Oh my. Leave me alone. What does this kid want from me? Oh my. No, you have a TV. Oh my god. You're already in bed. Why do you need me to take you? You yourself, you're already in bed. Oh my god. Ah! Oh yeah, wait, I froze again. No, stop the whispers. For the last time, I have whisper phobia. That is definitely a real thing. Huh. Wait, are those people in my eyes or are they just wait, it's the baby's eyes. They took it. I'm not playing hide and seek with you. Oh my god. Is this the end of me? No! No, stop! You should not be doing this to your babysitter. I'm not a coward. Definitely. No! Let me out. You shouldn't do this to your babysitter. Ah! Come on. Can those train tracks spawn faster? Oh my god! Milkbot, no! Stop being angry. Do not give me that look. No, let me out. Let me out! Yes, finally. Run, little rabbit. You're not the only one. There will always be more. Oh my god. That's what... Ah! Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Bye.